Sometimes I think about myself. Sometimes I think about myself. I wish I was somewhere else, far from my fear, anxiety, far from my weakness.
Okay, so let me try to explain this quickly. First, let's calculate the dimensions of the pleated panel of the skirt. I need to remove the straight panel in the center from the calculation. So 32 inches waist minus 8-inch panel gives 24 inches. So we just need to calculate the number of pleats we want and the amount of fabric each pleat needs. So 24 inches, which is the waist measurement, divided by the width of each pleat gives you the number of pleats. I want 3-inch width pleats to get a nice fall in volume. So totally I would have to make 8 pleats. Now to calculate the width of the fabric, multiply the waist measurement by 3 because a pleat consumes 3 times fabric of its original measurement. For example, if you want to make a pleat of 2 inches wide, you would need 6 inches of fabric. In this case, 24 inches multiplied by 3 gives me 72 inches. And the length of the pleated panel is 10 inches. So ideally, I would cut a pattern 10 inches by 72 inches and don't forget to add seam allowances. The next panel is the circle part, which needs to be attached to the pleat panel. So the circle top should be of 72 inches and the length should be 22.5 inches, which would give us the bottom sweep of about 213 inches. This is way more than what the client wanted, so the measurement checks out. I know this seems like a lot of math, but please bear with me. I didn't do a good job documenting the process, so I feel it's only right I give you at least the pattern making steps properly.
But I'm just a nest. You must be lonely, but you could be crazy if you keep looking down.
Cutting a circle panel can be a little bit tricky on a smaller width fabric. In this case, it was 44 inches. So what I do is I make a big square from 4 smaller squares cut out from the fabric. For example, I cut 4 squares with 44-inch sides and make a bigger square with 88 inches square. This way you can cut the circle part by just folding the fabric 4-fold.
Sometimes I think about myself. I wish I was somewhere else, far from my fear, anxiety, far from my weakness. I could be gone, but I'm just afraid. I refuse to fix the problem and I think I can carry on. You can lie, you can try, but you'd like to leave this feeling. We got to breathe, to dig, to leave the life we are dreaming. It could go wrong, but I'm just a nest. You must be lonely, but you could be crazy if you keep looking down. Don't you cry no more, even if I hate no more, even if I want more. Your hair should show me tears is in mine. Sometimes I think about myself and I wish me the best, but I just think I'm missing a voice and skills. I must confess I'm speaking in English, but I'm just French. I would like to speak better, add a better fine rhyme to my letter on time like a watchmaker. You can lie, you can try, but you'd like to leave this feeling. We got to breathe, to dig, to leave the life we are dreaming. It could go wrong, but I'm just a nest. You must be lonely, but you could be crazy if you keep looking down.